Hello traders, welcome to Flash Trade 1. In this video we are going to see that the signals that Flash Trade 1 sent on Telegram channel, the paid signals, how they can be traded using Telegram to MT4 copier. So this is the video where I will explain that how actually the Telegram to MT4 copier works. So if any trader or client wants to be part of this Telegram to MT4 copier, then they need to connect their account with this Telegram channel. And how to connect their MT4 account to this Telegram channel, ask our WhatsApp or our Telegram executive, they will guide you. So to be the part of this Telegram to MT4 copier, one needs to attach their MT4 to this Telegram copier. Let me explain in brief that how this Telegram to MT4 copier works. So let's suppose that this is the Telegram channel where 5 clients have attached their MT4 accounts, and this is just for information that to this one Telegram channel 500 accounts can be connected. Now the client A has the capital of $1,000, client B has capital of $2,000, client C has capital of $3,000, client D has capital of $5,000. Let's say that client E has capital of $10,000. Now in Telegram channel we'll send the signal in this format, that is the sell limit or buy limit in whatever way, and the lot size here will be, let's say for this Telegram channel it will be as per the 10k. Now whenever I will send the signal in this Telegram channel, then those signals are going to be copied in all these 5 MT4 accounts automatically. Now here I have sent the signal as keeping in mind the base capital of $10,000, as here the lot size will be attached as per the $10,000, but the client A, B, C, D has the capital of 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 and 5,000. So here the lot size will be changed automatically as per the client's capital. Here it's 0.1 lot size for $10,000. Then in MT4 of client A, the lot size is going to be different. In MT4 of client B, the lot size is going to be different. In C, it is going to be different. In D, it's going to be different. So lot size will be, what I mean to say is the lot size will be adjusted as per the client's capital. So here, if to this one Telegram channel 500 accounts can be connected, all the 500 accounts are going to be with different capital, but no need to worry, as the trades are going to be placed as per the client's base capital. And now let me explain you that how we are going to trade the signals on the Telegram channel. So if one is following our Flash Trade 1 Telegram signals, then they must be knowing that the signals that we send are in form of range. There is no exit entry. We ask the traders, if we say the gold, then we ask the traders to buy it from the range of 1830 to 1825. Now at this condition, the client will get confused at where they will place the lot. So in this MT4 to Telegram copier, the setup is done such that here I have taken the example of 100k. So level 1, we send the 2 levels on the Telegram channel with 2 different range. The range 1 will be the support 1 support 1, and the range that we send in level 2 will be the support 2. Here the support 1 and support 2 are based on our 20 in 1 indicator or multiple in 1 trend indicator and our support and demand indicator. So based on their indication will decide the level 1 and level 2. Now you can see that level 1 is with range of 1830 1825, and it is going to be trade with 5 lot size. So we'll place the 5 trades entry will be 1830, 29, 28, 27 and 26. 5. So this range is going to be divided into 5 entries, and the lot size is also going to be divided by 5. So here each trade 0.5 divided by 5, it means that 0.1 lot. So each trade is going to be traded with 0.1 lot size on capital of $10,000. And for all of these entries, all these 5 entries, the SL is going to be set as 1820. Now if SL hits for entire level 1, that is for 1830, 1829, 1828, means if we started taking the entry from 1830 and gold reached to 1820, then SL for all these entries are going to be hit. So total loss that will be bared by the client will be $400. This is not enough. Once gold falls down and 1815 comes, then again the entries are going to be started: 1815, 1814, 1813, 1812 and 1810. SL set for them will be 1805. Now here the lot size is going to be doubled. It means that you can see that the level 1 was traded with 0.5 lot size, but now the level 2 will be traded with 1 lot size. It means that why we have doubled the lot size, why we have increased the risk. This is the reason is just that the level 2 is more stronger than the level 1. So there are chances that from level 1 the client can get the profit, but if the SL hits for level 1, then the level 2 is even more stronger than the level 1. So here the chances of getting the profit increases, so we increase the lot size. Now in level 2 also there will be 5 entries. So one lot is divided by 5, which is equals to 0.2. So each entry is going to be traded with 0.2 lot size, and if SL hits for level 2, then the total loss will be $800. So if even the SL hits for level 1 and level 2, then the total loss bared by the client will be $1,200, which is very negligible in front of the capital $10,000. This is for gold. In currency pairs, the range or the entries are given in the range of 30 pips, and level 1 here will be traded with 1 lot, and level 2 will be traded with double lot size of 2 lots. Here 210, 2130 to 2160 is the entry for sell Euro USD. So we'll place the 4 entries: 2130, 2140, 2150 and 2160. Level 1 is traded with 1 lot size, so if we divide the 1 lot divide by 4, then we get the 0.25 lot size. So each each trade will be placed with 0.25 lot size, and if SL hits for all these entries, then the client will be a $350 loss, and if the SL hit for level 2, then the total loss bared by the client will be $700, where the level 2 will be traded with 2 lot size, so 2 divided by 4, each entries will be placed with 0.5 lots. In this way, the flash trade 1 trades total 5 currency pairs. Flash trade 1 trades 5 currency pairs, gold and US oil in their, or flash trade 1 shares the signal of 5 currency pair, gold and US oil in the Telegram channel. For one currency pair, we have seen that the limit orders are 4. So for 5 currency pairs, 20 limit orders. And for this is just for level 1. Now there are, you know that we share the 2 levels on each of the signals. So 2 levels, total limit order placed will be 40. For gold, 5 limit orders. For 2 levels, 10. For USL, just for 1 level, 10 limit orders are placed. So for 2 levels, 20 limit order. In this way, total 70 limit orders are placed on our Telegram channel. This daily, I'm talking about daily, 70 limit orders will be placed in 24 hours of time. If the level activates, then the profit will be booked in 24 hours. If level even not activated, then they will be closed automatically. And it is giving the accuracy of 97%. If one follows our flash trade 1 Telegram signals, then they must be knowing that the accuracy of our signals is 97%. it is not possible that if the SL hits for level 1, then the same SL is going to be hit for level 2, for Euro USD level 1 also. In a day or in a week, for one currency pairs or two currency pairs, the SL hits, and therefore one level, not for all. If SL hits for this level 1, then there are 99% chances that the client will get the profit from level 2 surely. So this is how this entire setup will work, and this is the loss. If the pending order activates for 1, 2 and 3, then the profit is going to be doubled. And here the trades can be closed in two ways. The first way, this is the Telegram channel, and client A and B is the part of this Telegram setup. So in two ways the trades can be closed when it activated. The first one is the manual, means the client can book the loss or profit by their own, and the second one is we will close the profit as per the risk and reward. So let's suppose that client A follows the manual one, means the client, this 1 and 2 for gold entries has activated, and client A has the target of $200 profit in his account, then he is going to book it manually. But the client B wants to trade or wants that we book the profit from them, then we'll send the signals on Telegram and we will book the profit for the client. So there are the two ways, the manual profit booking and the profit booking by company, that is flash trade 1. So in either of the way the client can do. If the client close the trades manually, then it's fine, but if he has not closed the trade, then we will close when we'll send the profit booking, then it will be closed automatically. So there is no such setup is required. Just this is either or way. If the client has closed, then it's fine. If it's not closed, then we will close it. So profit booking will be done very easily. Now this is how the entire setup will work on MT4 to Telegram. Now we are going to place the trade live on the Telegram channel. So this is the Telegram channel. As of now, this is just a Telegram channel. The main Telegram channel is the different. Here I have taken the testing Telegram channel where I will place the trade, and this is the MT4 account where the deposit of $100,000 is done, and you will see that I will place the order live on this in this Telegram channel, and you will be seeing that pending order is going to be placed here. Here the trade is not placed because I have done the sell limit at 2140, so it is not going to be placed. I am doing it 2145, then the trade will be placed, and you can see that here I am sending the signal taking consideration as the 100k capital. So here the trades, the lot size that I have set for, this is the currency pair Euro USD, so 0.25 lot size, and 4 entries will be placed here, and I'm sending the signal over here. So you can see that here the pending order has been placed. In this way I'm going to place the 4 entries here. So second entries has been placed, the third one I'm sending, and this is the fourth one I am sending the signal. So you can see that the 4 pending orders have been sent on this Telegram channel, which is the one from 2145. There are mistake in level, as I have choose here the sell limit and SL is same, so these both trades are not placed on the Telegram. Just verify it. So any mistake in the levels are not going to be work here. Let me show you that this is the live one. So you can see that the trade with 1.2145 and 2150 has been placed with SL 1.2160 and TP 2080. Right now the market is running at 1.21383. These both trades are not placed as the levels here, and the SL is same. So let me again put the levels. So with correct one, I will place here the trade with 1.2140 with 2190 as SL and 2080. So this is our first order. Then again at our next order will be at 1.2150. The SL will be same, the TP will be same. The SL we are going to be set 1.2190, which is sent on Telegram. Again at 2160 and the SL will be 2190. It will be sent. And I'm going to place the fourth trade at 2170 with SL 1.2190 and TP 2080. So as per this setup, our level was 1.2140 to 2170 with SL 1.2190. So if all these trades SL hits, then the total loss beard will be $350 in currency pair. So you can see that here the four trades had been placed at price 2140, 50, 60 and 70 with SL 2190, TP 2080, and you can see that right now the euro is trading at 1.2136. So once the price 1.2140 will come, the level is going to be activated. And you can see that here the lot size, I have already told that the lot size is set per 100k. So here the level 1, which is traded with one lot, divide by 4 entries. So each trade will be placed with 0.25 lot size. Let me do this for gold. This is the gold chart. I'm going into the gold chart and now I will place the trade here in gold. In gold, the range for the entry is 1815 to 1810. The SL will be 1805 and TP is going to be 1835. So here there will be 5 entries at price 1815, 1814, 1813, 1812 and 1811. In gold, the level 1 is traded with 0.5 lot size and there are 5 entries. So divide by 5. So each trade will be placed with 0.1 lot, which I have already mentioned in the order. So I will place the trade in gold over here. So I'm just copy and pasting it. This is the levels placed in gold: 1815, 1814, 1813, 1812. Keep checking in the terminal. The gold levels are adding. 1812 and the last trade with 1811. And you can see that here the 5 trades has been placed in gold: 1815, 1814, 1813, 1812 and 1811. The SL for all of them is 1805. The TP for all of them is 1835. Here it's set the buy limit over here. And here you can see that trades that I have placed as of now. You can see today's signal on our Telegram channel and you will find that the today's given level for Euro USD is 1.2140 to 182170. For gold it's 1815 to 1810. So this is the gold chart, and you can see that our support demand has shown, our support demand and our trend indicator both has given the buy indication at this range of 1815 to 1810. so this is the reason we have sent this levels on our Telegram channel. Not only this, you can check for Euro USD, where you can see that at price at 2140 near our support demand and our trend indicator both has given the indication for sell in the time frame of H1. So this is the reason we have sent those levels of 1.2140 and 1.2170 on Telegram channel and 1815 to 1810 for gold. And see, you can see that once the level are going to activate, then automatically the profit and loss will be set. And after 24 hours, let's just suppose that Euro USD performs from 2140 level only, then these three levels are not going to be activated, and after 24 hours these three levels are going to be closed from the account, or they are going to be disappear from the account automatically of the client's account. In the similar way, for the gold, the level 1815 activates, level 1814 activates, but 1312 and 11 did not activate it. Then after 24 hours they are going to be closed. And this I have placed the level for the level 1 in if the client will join this Telegram to MT4 copier, then level 2 are also going to be placed on these pending orders. So keep this well in mind. Now this we have seen for $10,000. Let me show you the account of, this is the $10,000, where you would be able to see that in Euro USD and gold at same price 2140, 2150, 2160, 2170 the trades has been placed. For gold 1815, 1840, 1813, 1812, 1811 the trades has been placed with SL of 1805 here, SL of 1.2190, TP of 2080, here the TP of 1835, Euro USD trade already activated. So here the trades are placed as same as the trade was placed in $100,000 account, but here you can see that the lot size has been reduced. In the account of $100,000, this is the account of $100,000, where the lot size is where the lot size is one lot in currency pair. And here you can see that the lot size in 10,000 accounts is 0.03. So here the lot size is going to be adjusted automatically. Here how the lot size is adjusted, let me explain you. For gold, this is the account of 100k, where each entries in the gold is traded with in the gold is traded with 0.1 lot size. For the account of $10,000, the each entry is going to be traded with 0.01 lot size. Similarly in Euro USD, here for the 100k account the lot size set is 0.25, but if it's account of 10,000 then it will be 0.025, but just to make it more round, it will be traded with 0.03 instead of 0.025. So you can just calculate that if it's account of 100,000, then what will be the loss. If it is account of $10,000, then what will be the loss too. If it's account of $1,000, then here the margin is less. So not just 100,000. If there is an account of $1,000, then here we'll trade the less pairs, and lot size is also going to be adjusted accordingly because the margin is less. For the 100k account, only 5% margin is going to be used. So if you take even 100k account or 10,000 account or 1,000 account, whatever it's an account, only 5% margin is going to be used, while 95% of the margin will be kept open in order we can apply more strategies into the account. Here this 5% of margin will be used only for this Telegram to MT4 copier. Okay, so in every account, the lot size, the strategies that we will add is going to be different. So this is the $100,000 account, so trading lot size is set here 0.25 and 1 lot for gold. This is the $1,000 account where same trades were copied, but here the lot size for currency pair was 0.03 and for gold it's 0.01. So this is how this entire setup actually works. Now to be part of this setup, you can ask our Telegram or WhatsApp executive. Those who are not following our signals on Telegram daily, then they can check the signal performance either in two ways. Just join our Telegram channel, that which is t.me/FlashTrade1, or you can see the performance on our website. Just visit our website, which is www.flashtrade1.com. There on the upper side, go into the live performance and then go into news impact trading performance, and you will be on this page where with each link, this is the signal that was sent on Telegram channel on 12th of February at morning 5:43, and it was on sell GBP USD. What happened to this signal? You can see entire profit loss, everything over this performance. So this is the performance, and through the performance you can recheck the performance of our signal or our accuracy of our signals, which we say it is 97% accurate. So if you do not have the time to trade our signals, then this is the second way to be the part of our signals and to be the part of the same profit as our other clients is earning through our Telegram signals that we sent in the range. So if you have any query, do contact our executive. Hope this video was useful, hope this video was enjoyable, and hope you had learned something new from this video. As this setup, this Telegram to MT4 copier setup, you will find only with FlashTrade1, and you will not find this setup in this entire forex market. So hope you can also be the part of this same setup. Goodbye, take care, and have a happy trading.